Prepare for contact with us. What to do? We greet you along with the members of your Lyran Star family who are here with us for this transmission. We want to inform you that we will be coming closer to you, making our ships visible at specific times each day. You can stay near your sacred places and ancient portals, as these are the areas we visit most frequently. The high frequencies in this area facilitate our visibility, and the growing expectation of people to see us there encourages us to make ourselves visible. If you want to create such an area closer to your home, create an energy vortex to facilitate our approach. You can do this by meditating in a specific place and tuning into your frequency. Call us, and we will help you establish the energy vortex. Some of you may choose to work with a crystal that can hold the vibration of the place. Listen to your intuition and create your own meeting place with us. Some of you are perfectly prepared to meet us physically, while other beings are becoming more aware of our vibration and our motherships. Spread messages of love and peace, as this is precisely what we bring. This is a new reality aligned with an open heart filled with love and enthusiasm for living the most exciting lives possible. Are you ready? After creating your sacred space, designate a specific area where contact will take place. Place a candle, a statue, or create a piece of art that carries your vibrational signature, and there simply say, "This is the place I am now preparing for my first contact." Know that once you say it, you begin to crystallize that timeline. Some of you are ready to receive and share our telepathic messages. We call on all energy workers, light workers, channelers, mediators, and all good-hearted people who wish to live a life in unity and experience what they should do. Everyone can live in a 5D reality. Take a step forward. Take the initiative and talk about us. Have the courage to break the shell because, through you, many will change their beliefs. Have the courage to write about us, to share what we say, to facilitate healing sessions, and to share our love for humanity and all the support we provide. Have the courage to make your voice heard, because you are the main creators and are destined to generate a new reality. We love you beyond mind and matter, space and time. We are the Galactic Federation of Light.
I have the courage to post this message here and now. I am permanently in high vibrational frequency to have contact with my older brothers from other galaxies. I am aware that thanks to their guidance, their support through the divine source God Father Mother, and the command of Master Sananda, the 5D ascension process of Earth will be fulfilled in perfect peace, harmony, unity, light, and universal, divine, and unconditional love. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, and I am serving on Gaia, voice for We Are Positive worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.